How to play YouTube in the background on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play YouTube in the background on iPhone. First of all, open up youtube.com in the web browser. Once you get into it, scroll down and tap to play any video you want to watch. After playing the video, tap to view it in full screen. Now, all you have to do is swipe up the tab, and then you'll be able to see that YouTube is still playing in the background. You can use WhatsApp or any other app while watching your videos. Also, you can see the video play through your control panel. The easiest and most legitimate way to play YouTube video in the background on your iPhone is to subscribe to YouTube Premium. This service allows you to play YouTube videos in the background, even when you exit the YouTube app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.